Today is my last day. After 5 years. One last morning coffee before my final flight. Goodbye, apartment. I will see you tonight.
JFK Airport, please. Terminal 4. You got it, sweetheart. Day?
Today is my last day flying. After 5 years.
Wow, 5 years. That's beautiful, honey. Big career. Have a beautiful last flight, miss. Fly safe.
Thank you, Tony. Have a wonderful day. Good morning, Rachel. Sophia checking in.
Sophia, your last flight today. We will all miss you.
Sophia, our star is here. Last day. How do you feel?
Sad. Everything together, Captain James.
A small gift. From the whole crew. Open it later.
Thank you so much. I will.
Today, New York to Los Angeles. 187 passengers.
5 hours, 35 minutes flight time. Got it, Captain.
I cannot believe it is your last flight, Sophia. I will miss you.
I will miss you too, Mia. You are my best friend.
Let us go. It is showtime, team. You got it, Captain.
Ready and excited for this. There it is. My last airplane.
Sophia, I heard. Your last day. Let me give you a hug.
Wako, they're very kind. One last time. Climbing these stairs. Goodbye, world.
Welcome aboard, Sophia. Your final flight.
I am ready. Let us make this day perfect. Good morning. Welcome aboard. Please, this way. Thank you, dear. You have a beautiful smile. Here is seat 14C. I will help you with the seatbelt.
Oh, thank you so much, my dear. So kind.
Wow, real airplane. It is so big.
Hello, little man. Welcome to our flight. Is this your first time on a plane, Henry?
Yes, I love airplanes. I want to be a pilot.
Good morning, sir. Welcome aboard.
Good morning. Long day already.
Hello, welcome. Please relax. You will be safe. Thank you. This is my first flight ever. Pull this strap. Then click the belt, like this. Thank you so much. You are very kind. Let me help you with that, sir.
Thank you, young lady. Very kind of you.
Newspaper or magazine, ma'am?
Welcome. Where are you flying to today? We are getting near Los Angeles. All passengers boarded. Cabin door closed. Good morning, passengers. Welcome aboard Global Airways Flight 2847. Please look at me. I will show you the safety information. First, take your life vest from under your seat. Pull the vest over your head, like this. Then fasten the straps around your waist. Please ensure your seatbelts are fastened securely.
Mom, look at her. She is amazing.
Yes, Henry. In case of a drop in cabin pressure, oxygen will deploy.
You did beautiful, Sophia. They love you.
Feels so emotional today. Every moment.
Tower, this is GA-2847, ready for takeoff. All systems green, Captain.
We are flying! We're barely flying! Yes, my love, we are flying.
My last takeoff. After 5 years. Good morning. Tea, coffee, or juice?
Coffee, please, dear, with milk.
Here you go, Henry. Orange juice for the future pilot.
Thank you, you are the best!
Your coffee, Mr. Harris. Black, no sugar.
Thank you. You remembered. Very professional.
How are you feeling, Minji? I am okay now. The clouds are so beautiful. In a small silver pin.
I made you a paper airplane. It is for you. Oh, Henry, thank you. I will keep it forever.
Listen, Henry. Today is my last day flying.
Why? You are the best one.
Lunch service time! You won last lunch service. Your lunch. Chicken or pasta?
Chicken, please. Thank you, Sophia.
My dear, you remind me of my own daughter. So kind.
Thank you, Mrs. Thompson. That means everything to me.
Time to make the announcement. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Flight attendant Sophia, please prepare for arrival. Today, our beautiful Sophia is on her last flight. 5 years of service. Please join me in thanking Sophia for her wonderful service.
Yay, Sophia! You are the best flight attendant.
Bless you, my dear. Bless you.
I will never forget this. Never. All. You deserved every moment of that. I love you, Mia. Your family. "5 years. Thousands of passengers. Such beautiful memories."
Cabin crew, prepare for landing. 20 minutes to LAX.
Last cabin check ever. Every face I will remember.
Sophia, I see palm trees and the ocean. Beautiful Los Angeles, Henry. Welcome to California.
My final landing. 5 years ends now.
Final approach. Gear down, Captain. Flaps 30 confirmed.
Welcome to Los Angeles. Thank you for flying with us today. And thank you for making my last flight so beautiful.
Goodbye, my dear.
Bye, Sophia. I will never forget thee. Goodbye, Henry. Be a great pilot one day.
Goodbye, my beautiful airplane. Goodbye, my beautiful career. "5 years. Thank you for everything. Goodbye, flying.